In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the edit history in Google Docs. This feature is incredibly useful whether you're collaborating on projects, tracking your document's revision history, or just need to revert to a previous version of your document. First things first, let's begin by accessing Google Drive. Start by navigating to the Google Drive homepage. You'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Enter your email address and password, then click Next to proceed. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're signing into the account containing the document you want to check the history of. Once you're in your Google Drive, locate the Google Docs document you want to work with. If you've got lots of documents, you might find the search bar at the top particularly helpful. Type the name of your document there, and it should appear right below. Click on your document to open it. This will bring up your document in a separate tab, ready for editing and reviewing. With your document open, the next step is to access the File menu. You'll find this option in the top left corner of your screen. Click on File to expand a drop-down menu where you'll see various options arranged in a list. From the File drop-down menu, your next click will be on Version History. When you hover over Version History, you'll notice it expands to show another option that reads See Version History. Click on See Version History to proceed. This is where the magic happens. Google Docs keeps a detailed record of every change made to the document, including who made the change and when it was made. Once you're in the Version History pane, you'll see a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen, listing different versions of your document. Each version is time-stamped, making it easy to navigate through your document's history. You can click on any version to view the document as it was at that point in time. Plus, if you need to, you can restore your document to a previous version by clicking the Restore This Version button. A few handy tips while you're navigating through your document's version history. If you're working on a collaborative document, each contributor's edits will be highlighted in a different color. This makes it extremely easy to see who did what. Also, if you're looking for changes in a large document, this visual cue can be a real time saver. To wrap up, navigating the edit history in Google Docs is a straightforward process that can be invaluable for tracking changes, collaborating efficiently, and ensuring your documents are always up to date. Google Docs automatically saves every edit so you can focus on creating and collaborating without worrying about losing your work. And that's it. You now know how to access and use the version history feature in Google Docs. This feature can be incredibly valuable whether you're managing your own edits or collaborating with others. Feel free to go back and review any step of this process, and remember to make the most out of your Google Docs experience by leveraging the power of its version history feature. Thank you for watching, leave your questions or comments below, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.